Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, it is part 2 of I Made a Website. So let me explain a little something to you guys. I had two devs. Dev number 1 knew how to code Discord bots. Dev number 2 was a full-on coder. They can code games and websites. So I asked Dev number 2. I first asked Dev number 1 if they know how to code a website. They say no. So I asked Dev number 2 if they know how to code a website, and they say yeah. So I asked them if they can code a website with me. They say yes. We code it, and I give up, and so does he. It's too much coding, first of all, and we realized that it was going to take months for the website to actually come together. So I decided to ask him if we can just use Base 44, and he said sure. So we made an exact replica of that website, and I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. So first of all, a few updates / changes were made, like this. There's a drop down. Everything's gonna be blurred out because it's a surprise. But yeah, this is the drop down that shows all the parts of the website. We still have our AI, which is Azure AI. Yeah. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys everything that we saw. We saw Discord bots from $5 to $15. For example, you order, go to checkout, you fill in the details, you say your payment method. Now, how this works is you have to be in the Discord server for this to work. It best works when you're in the Discord server because you say you have made an order. You tell us what your order is, and we look for your order and what your ID is. We confirm that the user ID, and you pass. We make or give you whatever you require. Okay. Moving on. I'm not gonna do all of them, but let me do editing, websites, and then tweaks. For editing, we do photo editing, video editing, photo manipulation, banner design, and thumbnail design. All for $5, except for banner design. Banner design is $1. You choose the video. Oh, and for $5, it's per video. You want us to edit 3 videos. $15. You go to checkout. You say you want to pay with, for example, Cash App, and then you leave a tip, of course. The total shows up. You place your order. It's gonna show. So with this one, I'm actually gonna place my order. And once the order places, it should show in my orders. For tweaks, we have basic tweaks for free: phone tweaks, iPad tweaks, laptop tweaks, and PC tweaks. So how it's gonna work is that you wanna tell us what type of tweaks you want. For example, FPS tweaks, how this works is that the file that you use, you can't resell it. You can only use it about once and then the file doesn't work anymore. I'm pretty sure. That's how the TX work. But aside from that, websites, ta-da. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. You select an option, okay? For pre-made website, you pay $30 plus $5 a month. Wait. You pay $5 a month, I'm pretty sure. Then $10, then $15. So for example, you want this one. Then for extra 5 from the URL, Hydra Studios from the URL. So it's gonna say the URL, for example, it's gonna say editor, please can you show it? For example, dynamite dot Hydra Studios. Okay. Then you tick that you want to remove that from the URL. You can pay monthly or you can pay one time. Okay. Monthly it's gonna be $5, $10. Okay. I think the website's low key glitching, but that's fine. You go to checkout and you do, yeah. Then you do that. Whoa, what did I freak up? Let me just go to cheats real quick. Cheats are the same. Still says the disclaimer because it's honestly not our problem. If you get into trouble or something, I think this is pretty good. Then we also have our packages. We have the starter package for $45, where you get a pre-made bot, a pre-made logo, a pre-made phone or tablet tweak, 1 hour of tutoring, and standard email support. Okay. Then we also have the pro package, as well as premium package, alpha package, elite package, and emerald package, which are all pretty good. We also have reviews where you press the writers button. This is how it's gonna work. For example, you rate us 1 star. You say your name. I'm gonna use what's the name? For example, CC. I'm gonna use CC as a name. Wait, that's CC. CC. You rate it 1 star. You share experience. You say buttons. You submit your review. Submit. Scroll down and okay, here we are. Showcase. The purpose of Showcase is, for example, you order a website, we record a small video, and we upload it to Showcase so you can see what it would look like if you ordered a website, for example, or a Discord bot, or Anything else, we just press the up. Next, we have announcements, which is obviously it's in the name. We make announcements, updates. Yeah, there's a button right here. Pick a title, send a message. Yeah. Now we have the chat. We have chat. Yo, editor, can you please block that up? But yeah, me and my other dev obviously were testing out the chat until we actually realized that it would show your email instead of your username. So yeah, that's the dev and my email. So we're just gonna have that blocked out. But yeah, there's a bunch of channels where you can talk in. Like this one, for example. That one. Yeah, see, just a bunch of channels that you can talk in. Yep. Just, I don't know why there's so many channels, but there is. Moving on, we have the shop. Yeah, so this is the main shop where we have all of these effects and stuff. I already own the glitch effect and the other effects. And if you grind quests on the website and you stay on the website for long, you can spend your money in the shop. But apart from that, we also have the badge shop, where it's just badges. As you can see, I own the Sigma badge. I know it doesn't look good right now, but I'm still working on how the badges are created. Still working on how to make them better. Yeah, just a bunch of badges. These are the legendary badges. Obviously, it says that I can't purchase it because I don't have enough coins. You can also buy coins for pretty cheap amounts of money. As you can see, you can buy 100,000 coins for $100. How it works is you pick your payment method. You could do Cash App, PayPal. I'm gonna do PayPal. You place in your PayPal email, for example, this random email. Okay, you just gotta place in your email. How it works is, please, that is not our PayPal email. Please, that is not our PayPal email. You will make a ticket in the Discord server and you'll show us proof that you purchased coins. You send us the money, we give you the coins, and we might even give you a little extra. Then you can also gift coins by inserting someone's username and the user ID, which shows when you click the drop down by their profile. As you can see, that's my user ID. Then I'm gonna copy paste. Just like that. Then I'm gonna put in the amount. Let's do 100. And then we're gonna put in the username. Dynamite. It's all capitals, my fault. Then you gift. Obviously, it won't gift it to me because you can't gift coins to yourself. Obviously, that would be stupid. But yeah, moving on. We have the arcade. The arcade is still the same. It's just a bunch of simple games that we have. For example, speed clicker. You have 10 seconds to click as fast as you can. Whoops. So right now the screen is black because I've ended the video by accident, but my mic is still recording. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video there. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure to comment down below any ideas that you guys have. The rest of the stuff that I wanted to show you guys are just things that I already covered in the previous episode. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Dynamite and I'm out.